Hey lovelies, I don't have any makeup on yet, but I was washing my face and I kind of got excited about the idea, and I wanted to talk to you real quick about exfoliation because it is so important. And I was washing my face, and this may be a little bit gross, but I wash my face every night, and then I washed my face this morning, and I don't know if you can see or not, but that isn't dirt. It's not makeup. I didn't have anything on my face at all. But when I use my Seint cleanser, which has exfoliants in it, it has retinoids, it has alpha hydroxy acid, like top of the line, what you should look for, the gold standard in skincare, and this has both of them. But the exfoliation, it's a chemical exfoliant. It's not going to damage your skin at all. It's not a physical exfoliant where you're scrubbing with harsh physical little balls or anything like that. It's chemical, and so it's not going to make your face peel. But when you go to wipe your face, which a lot of times I'll use our microfiber cloths, but this morning I just did it with a white wash rag just to kind of show you that's not dirt or makeup. Those are skin cells. That's skin. And the exciting thing about that, besides the fact that when you get rid of the old skin and exfoliate that off and wipe it away, you're going to have more glowing skin, more youthful looking skin. So that's all good. But what's even more exciting about it is that when you remove the top layer of skin cells, all of the new wrinkles that are trying to form and build, you're like sweeping that off, sweeping that off. It's like if you had sand that piled up and piled up and piled up, pretty soon you would have a mound and valleys and ruts. But if you keep sweeping it off every day, that keeps that tamped down. So toner, usually I have felt like toners can be, I don't know, not tremendously effective, traditional toners. And ours has exfoliants, the AHAs, and it has the retinoids in it as well. So you're getting like a double dose of protection and prevention on there. And then our cream has those same things as well. This is what I use for a moisturizer at nighttime. So I was just really excited when I see that come off my skin, because I know that's skin cells, and it's like, yes, I prevented some wrinkles today. I tamped them down and held off father time a little bit longer. I'm going to be 50 in July. And so I do everything that I can to have the best skin that I can. So I just wanted to share that with you. It is so, so, so important that you exfoliate. Our skincare collection is on sale this month for 20% off through July, mid-July, like 15th or 17th. So whether you use this or not, we have excellent skincare products, but whatever you use, exfoliating is so important. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.